Hi, I'm Donald Cooper with a slightly croaky voice. I'm delighted to be joining you at your Excellence in Laundry conference on Wednesday, May 10th in San Diego. My insightful session on succession planning and exit strategies will help you prepare your business and yourself for the most important financial transaction of your life. This session will be informative, parts of it will be disturbing, and parts of it will be funny, but it will all be real and very helpful. That's my commitment. Effectively and profitably exiting from your business is one of the most significant financial and personal events in your life. But sadly, it's often ignored, left till it's too late, or executed badly. Research shows that fewer than 10% of businesses have a written succession plan or exit strategy, and that's a huge mistake. You can't just wake up one day and decide you don't want to do it anymore. Because many of your businesses are partnerships or family businesses, we'll take a special look at the emotional and complex succession and exit challenges that you face and how to fix them. In just 75 minutes, I'll share with you the key insights and case studies collected in my 30 years of working with business owners and leaders just like you in over 40 industries throughout the world. You'll also receive my special business tool that reveals what a buyer of your business will be willing to pay for and how to calculate a saleability score for your business. Following my session, I'll be doing free one-on-one mini coaching sessions in the exhibit hall for anyone who attends my session. So you can find me there for a personal and confidential chat about your succession and exit challenges. I look forward to seeing you on May 10th at the Excellence in Laundry conference.